back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Dior, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from So High Vibe. If you don't know what So High Vibe is, So High Vibe is a subscription box filled with vibe boosting products and activities for everyday people who consciously make peace and joy a priority. So if you make peace and joy a priority, this is for you. So I'm just opening it. I have not even opened it yet. So I'm just unboxing it. The box is open, and I think in it has like another box. Okay, so here's So High Vibe. Oh, it's actually taped up, so I haven't even untaped it yet. I think I might need scissors, maybe not. Let's see. Right now I'm in a state of mind. I wanna be everything you are. Ain't got no tears left to cry. Ain't got no tears left to cry. I'm opening it, and let's see. Opened it yet? La la la. Okay. So it says on the box it has this little note right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see if you guys can see it. There we go. It has a note. It says, "Welcome to So High Vibe. This box is for everyday people who choose to make joy a priority. In it, you will find tools to ignite positive emotion like love, peace, and excitement. We know it's impossible to stay happy all the time, but we also know when you are in a state of high vibe, positive emotion, you attract high vibe, positive experience, people and things into your life. So explore your products, engage in the community, and enjoy. It's all So High Vibe." Love this. I love it. And they also have an Instagram, so you can also follow them on Instagram. So then it comes with this. This is an October one, and a sparkly. I love it. So inside of it, this little paper that comes with it, it just tells you what's inside. So inside of this, it's a soothing gel mask. It's a foreigner's card. Soothed by Elena Core massage roller. Okay. Then it has Lang Lang essential oil body lotion, the game of things, and it's a journal and thank you cards. So that is what's all in here. So I'm gonna show you guys. And then on another piece of paper, it has a 30-day quest card, and on the 30-day quest card it says October because today's day is October 10th. So I guess it's a box for every month, I believe. So this says need some ideas to help get those so high vibe emotions flowing this month. Explore some of the activities on this card. Try something you never tried before. Remember those that give you all the good feels. Have fun on your quest. So this is just a 30-day quest card. And then on the back, it has like 30 activities which you can do. Then it has another card, and then on this card it says monthly quote, "Finding the calm in the chaos," written by Donna Corinne. Okay, so this is a soothing gel eye mask. If your eyes are tired, put this on. Use the mask code to help soothe headaches and minimize puffiness. I'm going to use this after this video because I have a terrible headache for days now, and I don't know why. And then this includes an adjustable strap for comfort fit. So then, let's see. This, I think this is supposed to be a massage roller. Yeah. So I'm going to refer back to this card so I don't get any of the names wrong on this. So yeah, this is a Soothe by Elena Core massage roller. So then next is these Foreigner's cards. So positive, and I love this. So the next thing that I'm about to pull out is the Game of Things. See, this is called the Game of Things. And on the card it says, have a ball with some friends and family. Just know you're going to catch a cramp from laughing so hard at the responses. Guessing who said what is not easy as you think. Don't worry, although this is a mini version, the fun never ends because the responses always change. Have fun, laugh, enjoy some quality time, and make some cool memories. The next thing that I have is a journal. And I love writing stuff down, and now I have a cute little journal that I can take with me basically everywhere that I go. So the next thing that I'm going to pull out is, the next thing that I have is the essential oil lotion, the Ling Ling essential oil body. This is all about relaxation, so if you find yourself getting overwhelmed and you just want to relax, I'm going to do the trick for you. The very last thing that is in this box, 2 thank you cards. You can write a note to anybody telling them thank you for anything to show your gratitude. I'm so thankful for a lot, and I always say thank you, but I think this is just the special touch to saying thank you. So yeah, I'm definitely going to use these as well. And that is about it for this box. When you order this box, make sure to use the discount code. It's going to be Dior Vibe, all one word. So it should be somewhere right here. I'm going to put it. So Dior Vibe, and once you go to sovibe.com and you order your subscription box, you will receive 25% off when you use this code, Dior Vibe. So yeah, make sure you use that. Go ahead and check this box out at sohighvibe.com and also sohighvibe Instagram. Ready to buy this box. You'll get 25% off when you use my code. So make sure you use my code DiorVibe to save you some money. But yeah, this is super cool. I love this so much, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.